everyone. I'm Nick, the head of tax at TurboTax Calculator. Today, I just want to briefly explain Schedule 1 of Form 1040 for your tax return. So, Schedule 1 is where you report all of your additional income that's not reported on your general 1040. So, if you receive a W-2 from your employer, that'll be reported on your general 1040 tax return. But if you have any additional income that wasn't reported on your W-2, that would be included here on Schedule 1. So, you can see there's many different lines and different areas to put income. But as it relates to your crypto, Schedule 1 is where you would put your staking rewards, mining rewards, and airdrops, things of that nature. So on line 8Z is where you put your other income, and you can actually give a description and an amount. So the description can be Ethereum staking rewards, which indicates that to the IRS that you had staking rewards on the Ethereum blockchain, and then you can indicate the value. So if you received $1,000 of rewards throughout the year, you would report $1,000. You could also include additional lines here. So you can also include airdrop. So if you received an airdrop of a random, cryptocurrency coin, you can include that here. So you can put airdrop of whatever coin and then the amount in USD. So that is a quick overview of Schedule 1 as it relates to your cryptocurrency.